I've spent hours out here in the freezing cold. And honestly, becoming an AI avatar would have been much easier.
Imagine you could create a custom AI avatar so realistic that people wouldn't even realize it wasn't actually you. What you just saw was a digital clone of myself that looks and sounds almost exactly like me. And if you didn't notice, that's because I created it using Artlist AI Avatars. Artlist AI Avatars let you edit dialogue and existing footage, and even translate full videos into 50+ languages and accents, while still preserving the original feel and performance of the video. It's powered by leading models like HeyGen, Fabric 1.0, OmniHuman, Aurora, 11 Labs, and LipSync V2. Now, you can either create avatars that look exactly like you, generate fully AI-created characters, or even combine both approaches to place yourself in almost any environment you can imagine. So from this point on, every take can basically be perfect. Let's begin. So first, I need a dialogue for my avatar scene. I already wrote a short talking head script that I want the avatar to perform. Now the next step is turning that dialogue into an AI-generated voice. So for that, I'm heading over to the Artlist voice section. And as you can see right here, there are multiple top-tier AI voice models available. For this test, I'm going with 11v3, which is honestly one of the best AI voice models available right now. Then down here, I can choose the voice I want to use for my dialogue. So let's go with this one. Now I'll paste my dialogue right here, click Generate, and boom! My AI-generated voice is ready.
Okay, this is getting a little weird now, because everything you're seeing right now, my face, my voice, even this entire talking video, wasn't filmed with a camera.
Now, I want to create a custom AI avatar using an image prompt. You can simply head over to the image section and generate your own avatar just by describing the character you want using any image generation model available here. For this test, I'm going to use Nano Banana Pro. Then I'll go ahead and paste in this prompt. And this prompt is really just here to give you some inspiration. You can create literally any kind of AI avatar for any use case you want. I also want to switch the resolution to 4K, because generally, the better the input image quality is, the better the final AI avatar output will look. And as you can see, we now have 4 different AI avatars to choose from. So I'm going to go with this one. Now we can switch back to the video section, and here you can select any AI avatar model you want. For this example, I'm going to use the HeyGen model. I already have my audio file ready as well. So now we simply upload the image and the audio file, click Generate, and look at this.
Okay, this is getting a little weird now, because everything you're seeing right now, my face, my voice, even this entire talking video, wasn't filmed with a camera. I'm literally just an AI avatar generated from a single image and an audio file. And honestly, the scary part is how believable this is starting to feel.
But now I want to take this a step further and create an AI avatar using my own face. Basically an avatar that looks and sounds 100% like me. So for that, all we need is a photo of myself. But I also want to customize the avatar's environment and clothing. So if we go back to the image generation section, this time I'm going to paste in a different prompt. And as you can see right at the beginning, I'm using the instruction, use my likeness from the uploaded reference image. Then I'll upload my own photo as the reference image while still using Nano Banana Pro. I've added a short description explaining the environment and overall look I want. So basically, I'm placing myself into a completely new setting. And as you can see, we now have 4 still images that look almost exactly like me, which I can use as my AI avatar. I really like this one. So once again, I can head back to the HeyGen avatar model, drag and drop this image in as my avatar image, then add the speech by uploading the audio file. And then all I need to do is click Generate. And just like that, I now have a fully custom AI avatar that still looks and sounds like me.
Okay, this is getting a little weird now, because everything you're seeing right now, my face, my voice, even this entire talking video, wasn't filmed with a camera. I'm literally just an AI avatar generated from a single image and an audio file. And honestly, the scary part is how believable this is starting to feel.
And honestly, after testing this workflow, I think the most impressive part isn't just how realistic these AI avatars look. It's how useful they actually are for creators. because now you can create more content without constantly increasing production time or reshooting everything again. You can keep the same on-screen presence across multiple videos and even adapt content for different languages and audiences.
¿Un pirata hablando español? Eso no es lo raro. Lo raro es que ni siquiera soy real.
What do you think? Believe it or not, I am also an avatar from Artlist.
I traveled 384,000 kilometers to get here. And somehow, creating an AI avatar was still easier.
It's me. I'm an avatar from Artlist.
So if you want to try creating your own AI avatars, digital clones, or AI-powered talking head videos, you can check out Artlist AI Avatars using the link in the description below.